friends, it's me Kanchan. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Learn. Guys, as we know, we have finished positive negative sentences of past continuous tense. And today we'll do interrogative sentences of it. So without wasting our time, let's begin it. Let's see, second tense is past tense. Now, second part of it is past continuous tense. In Hindi, अपूर्ण भूतकाल. Now, third point of it is interrogative. But guys, there is no need to write these two headings again. Start interrogative on a fresh page. Let's see interrogative formula. Was verb plus subject plus ing in the main verb plus object plus question mark. Guys, as we know, we use was with I, he, she, it or name of any single person, okay? And with you, we, they or plural, we use were, okay? Clear this much? Now, indication of Hindi sentences. क्या, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे and question mark. Let's see first example. First, क्या वह पत्र लिख रहा था? Let's find out indication. Okay, indication is क्या and रहा था question mark. Okay, now here in English, was he writing a letter? And question mark. See, subject is he, so I have taken over here was. Was he writing a letter? Answer is, first we'll see short answer. Okay, so here short answer in positive. Yes, he was. Okay, now in negative. No, he wasn't. Clear this much? Now in full answer. Yes, he was writing a letter. Okay? Yes, he was writing a letter. Now in negative. No, he wasn't writing a letter. Okay, let's see. Yes, he was. Question is, was he writing a letter? Answer, short answer you can say, yes he was. And in negative, no he wasn't. You may answer full also. So here, yes he was writing a letter. No he wasn't writing a letter. Clear? Now we'll see some more examples. Guys, before moving to the next point, please like the video and share with your friends too. Now, moving to the second point. क्या हमारे क्लास का मॉनिटर जल्दी बोर्ड पोंछ दे रहा था? So in English, was our class monitor dash the board quickly? Can you guess what will be your pochna? The verb is wiping. Okay. Now here. Okay. Let's see. Was our class monitor wiping the board quickly? Answer is yes, he was. Okay. Now in negative. No, he wasn't. Guys, I have written here short answer. You may write full answer also. Let's see. Yes, he was wiping the board quickly and full stop. And in negative, no, he wasn't wiping the board quickly. Okay, moving to the third point. वे लोग इन पौधों में रोज पानी डाल रहे थे. So indication is रहे थे question mark. Guys, this question I have written without क्या, but we talk in this way also. वे लोग इन पौधों में रोज पानी डाल रहे थे. So in English, were they watering these plants daily? Were they watering these plants daily? Short answer is yes, they were. Okay. Now in negative, no, they weren't. Now you may write full answer also. Yes, they were watering these plants daily, full stop. And in negative, no, they weren't watering these plants daily. Clear? Now moving to the fourth point. क्या मिस्टर शाह इस आदमी की मदद करके अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे थे? इंडिकेशन इज क्या एंड रहे थे क्वेश्चन मार्क. इन इंग्लिश, was Mr. Shah wasting his time by helping this man? So answer is yes, he was. And here in negative, no, he wasn't. Okay, clear? See, full answer. Yes, he was wasting his time by helping this man. And in negative, no, he wasn't wasting his time by helping this man. Now moving to the last point. क्या वे लोग अपनी हार खुद ही मान रहे थे? क्या वे लोग अपनी हार खुद ही मान रहे थे? So in English, dash these people yielding their own defeat. Can you guess what will be here? So here these people means plural. So we have to take were. Okay. Were these people yielding their own defeat? Answer is yes, they. Because here these people. Okay. So here yes, they were. And in negative, no, they weren't. Full answer is yes, they were yielding their own defeat. Full stop. And in negative, no, they weren't yielding their own defeat. Guys, I hope you have totally understood. But if you have any doubt, please comment. Guys, if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and please share with your friends too. Those who are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe because we'll learn more and more. And for further notification, hit the bell icon. Now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.